Everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Guys, I was recording, but my phone is stopped with something. So I am working with these cards, okay, and I'll be recording it again, but I am not going to shuffle it again because I think your current energies are this, and I don't want to disturb your current energies, okay. So I'll be, reading these cards only, okay. So guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book 15 days and 10 days tarot learning workshop and numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. I'll be grateful to you. So this is romance, career, relationship and finance, okay. So let's talk about your romantic love life, Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, if you're single, a new person is trying to enter into your life. It might be a friend, it might be a person who has a crush on you, something like that. A new person might enter into your life, a friendship might begin, okay. If you are already committed or into a relationship, a past is trying to come back solidly, like a person is trying to come back into your life, okay. And for some of you, it might involve a child also into a relationship, like some of you might be married also with this person, okay, Aquarius. So a past is trying to come back into your life. Guys, I just want to tell you that you are really highly intuitive in the month of August when it comes to your romantic love life. Your intuition level will be highest, and you will be knowing all the pros and cons. You will be evaluating all the pros and cons, whether you want to stay into this connection, whether you want to accept this offer or not, or whether you want to move forward. So you will be highly intuitive, you will be focusing on your intuition level. You are no more going to give a fuck about anything. You will be trusting on your own intuition level. Self healing, self worth, self care will be your utmost priority in the month of August, into your romantic love life. Like you will be focusing on yourself rather than on this connection or this person, okay. So yes, your career life, you have a lot of stuck energy, okay, because playing a karmic cycle was playing its role in the month of July, okay, and it's ending between 29th of July to 31st of July, and today is 31st of July, okay, and I am recording this video. That means karmic cycles are ending. If you had a stuck up energy into your career life, like nothing was moving forward, you had a stagnant energy, okay, so all this is are coming to an end. All these stuck energies are coming to an end. These karmic cycles are ending. New beginnings will be happening. Like new life will be happening. It might be you start a new career. You will be switching up of a job, new business idea, new collaboration, new project, or new job, same job but new position. Okay, so something new will be happening in the month of August, because karmic cycle has ended today, okay, for you guys, okay. You will be releasing all the stuck up energy, all the stagnant energy which you had into your career life for so many months, for so many years. You were not happy, whatever you were doing, it was not giving you satisfaction, or you were not feeling content from inside, okay. So all these things are ending, and you will be moving forward towards a new beginning, new life, new opportunities. A lot of opportunities are waiting for you in the month of August in your career life. After 25th of August, I feel things will be moving forward, okay. Like since karmic cycle is ending today, it will take a certain amount of time to move forward, to come into that action, okay. So after 25th of August, things will be very better, a lot more better than you expect, okay, because it positive results will start from tomorrow, okay. But the way it should, you should see results, you will not get till 25th of August. After 25th of August, no, things will be moving forward, okay. It will be more fast, like it will, then you will be realizing that things are moving forward into your life, okay. Karmic cycles are ending and new beginnings are happening, okay. So new opportunities, new life, new job offers, new business offers, something will be there, okay. Relationship, Aquarius, this is for the people who are committed, who are into relationship but separated, but or the people who are already married but separated, or some things like that. Okay, so only the people who are dealing with long term commitment, only they should take interest into this part. Okay, rest of you should not. Okay, so this is not for the single, or this is not for the people who had a short term relationship of the past. This is not for them. Okay, so this section tells me about you are at a crossroads, Aquarius. Okay, some of you who are dealing with marriage, or who are into dealing with long term commitment. Okay, you are at a crossroads, highly indecisive. Okay, you will be taking an action towards your life, whether you want to stay into this connection or you want to move forward. Most probably you will take an action to move forward. You will be moving away from a toxic relationship, toxic life cycles, toxic karmic cycles, and you will be moving towards it. You will be taking a wise decision, and you will be focusing on yourself, self care, self love, and you will be moving forward towards your own life, your career, your goal. Okay, now the people who are dealing with twin flame connections. Okay, if you are into separation, you might be reconciling or reuniting with your partner in the month of August. Okay, if you are dealing with a karmic partner, might be neighbor, in-laws, or family members, or friends, or even a first spouse, or something like that. So you will be ending a karmic relationship with your karmic partner. Only and only if you are dealing with karmic partner, the relationship will be ending. Okay, this month only, 31st of July, and things will be taking an action towards in the month of August. Okay, you will be making a decision, solid decision about your love life. Okay, but if you are dealing with a twin flame connection or a soulmate connection who are into separation, or if things were not right between you and your partner, then things will be improving into this connection. Okay, but if you are dealing with karmic partner, then things will be coming to an end. Okay, a full stop will be happening. You decide which part or kind of partner you are dealing with. Okay, so yeah, financial part, at most happiness in the month of August, guys. Okay, after 25th of August, your financial life will start eventually. Like, it will take a, you know new beginning, new life into your financial life. Okay, new beginning, new opportunities, new business, new collaborations, new job, everything will be new. New financial stability is definitely there. You will be feeling very energetic in the month of August when it comes to your finances, once these things will be happening, and it will be happening after 25th of August, I guess. Okay, because once one more full moon, like, planetary changes are there, so after that things will be moving faster. So new beginnings are there on the horizon for you guys. You will be feeling very enthusiastic, very brave, very courageous. You will be taking your own decision. Self-worth will be there, like, how what you want to do, how you want to do. Okay, so there will be a new beginning into your life. Okay, new financial life. Wow, new finances, new financial stability is there. The things which were not working in the past, when it comes to your financial matters, things will be very fast, it will be very good. Okay, trust me. Wow, beautiful, guys. I am really excited for the month of August for you guys. Okay, you are releasing a lot of stuck up energy. If you were going through a lot of stagnant energy, things are, changing fast in the month of August. No more stagnation, no more, standing at one side and thinking about it. No more analyzing it. August will be the month of action for you guys. Okay, so yeah, you will be releasing, you will be going through a lot of healing process. Okay, in the month of August. So healing and actions will be taking in the month of August for you guys. Okay, no more stuck up energy in the month of August. Okay, so yeah, guys, I am really happy for you guys. Okay, guys, things will be moving faster in the month of August for you. After 25th of August, you will see the results. Okay, so yeah, no more stagnation which you were going through from a long time. So there will be a new vision for you, new life, new opportunities, new beginnings, either in financial life, either in your relationship. Okay, so yeah, New beginnings, new visions, new ideas will be there in the month of August for you guys. Wow. you you will be, either you will be traveling overseas, or you will be relocating, or else some of the Aquarius might be, having a solid communication when it comes to your relationship, if you are already into a relationship, only for those people. And the others of you, you might be, thinking to travel to somewhere, or relocating to somewhere, like you have an urge to travel or to relocate. Okay, so yeah, some of the Aquarius might be pregnant also, like a few of the Aquarius who are feminines might be, getting a news of a pregnancy. So congratulations for those women who are, having, who will be getting a news of pregnancy, or who are pregnant. Okay, so yeah, and some of you might be giving a birth to a child in the month of August. So congratulations to those women as well. Now for the rest of the Aquarius, you will be patient enough. Okay, you will be just going through some internal healing, you will be just being patient, you will keep patience, because whatever is happening is it's all about patience. Guys, one more thing I just want to tell you, that after full moon, or after full moon, things will be better. Like if in this month full moon is there, so after full month, after full moon in this month, okay, I don't know which date is there, I have to see it, but after full moon in this month of August, things will start working out, your results will start, you'll be, reaping up the rewards which you sowed for so many years, or for so many months. Okay, so you'll be getting results of your efforts in either into your financial life or your relationship. Okay, so just pay attention to this full moon, and after the days after that, post full moon. Okay, because something will be there. Okay, some new opportunities, new life, new beginnings, like the results you will be getting after full moon. I don't know, I'm getting that intuition, that's why I'm telling you. If your inner voice is telling you something, now trust on that. Okay, if you are juggling between two choices, two connection, two direction, two decisions, okay, do not trust on anything, take decisions of what your heart is saying, what your inner voice is saying. Okay, because your intuition level will never be wrong. Okay, so just trust your intuition, guys. Okay, trust your intuitions, that is at most important for you guys. Okay, so yeah, beautiful, yeah. Like Aquarius, this is the perfect, I don't know, this is the perfect thing for you guys. Okay, very positive energy I'm getting in the month of August for you guys. I'm just taking one. Okay, so the healing message for living in the society. Now that my children are grown, I don't know what to do with my life. So, the universal message for you guys is that every phase in life brings its own unique joy and sense of purpose. So, as I told you, few of you might be dealing with pregnancies, few of you might be dealing with, having a child, or and you will feel that, you don't have your personal life. So, you have an unique phase of your life. Okay, you are dealing with your unique phase of your life, so do not feel bad about it. This is just a good and a positive approach towards life. Everyone has to change at a certain level, right? So yes, so what kind of who is your archangel in the month of August, and what kind of gemstones you are dealing with in the month of August? Okay, so your archangel for the month of August is Uriel. Uriel. Okay, so you can check it out on the Google. Okay, so the message from your archangel sorry guys, sorry. So the message from your archangel to you guys is that I'm at peace. Legions of angels are my personal entourage, helping me every day in every way. I am aligned with the divine plan. My ancestors direct me on my path. I am grateful for the knowledge they impart to me. So, some of you might be dealing with your ancestors as well. They are guiding you. Divine intervention is there into your life, into your path, okay, to grow. So, just trust on the universal messages, universal things. Healing and action will be the most important thing in the month of August for you guys, okay? So guys, if the gemstone which you should wear in the month of August, celestite, Celestite, okay, Celestite, okay, it looks like that. You can Google it. So, your Archangel Uriel is asking you, are you hearing messages from your angels? Have you noticed your life flows easily as if divine timing is working into your life? Okay. So,